Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Apologize by OneRepublic. Now before we can play this song, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are E minor, C major, G major, and D major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the other portion of this video. So the first chord that we're going to learn is E minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the first string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is G major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. And our last chord for this song is D major. To play that, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be E minor for 4 beats, C major for 4 beats, G major for 4 beats, and D major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, pause, up, tap, down. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the E minor chord. Down, pause, up, tap, down. 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 And now let's add the chord progression with that strumming pattern. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Apologize. I'm holding on your rope, got me 10 feet off the ground. I'm hearing what you say, but I just can't make a sound. You tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. But wait, tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around and say it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. And at the end of the song, you're just going to ring out on the G major chord. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Apologize. And that's how you play Apologize by OneRepublic. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe and check out these other videos so that you keep learning, practicing, and playing because you can uke.